Hi, this is Bhavna, and in this video, I'll be covering a history of hockey in India and just how India dominated the games before 41-year medal drought. India's men hockey team finished a sinister of 41 years old by defeating Germany to win a bronze medal at Tokyo Olympics. India had last won a medal, a silver, in Moscow Games in 1980. Subsequently, India hockey struggled to match their marvelous custom in the Summer Games until Manpreet Singh's men overcame the Germans 5-4 in the exciting match on 5th August. Finally, India finished a delayed 41 years Olympic medal in hockey on Wednesday by defeating Germany 5-4 within the bronze medal match. Before this drought, however, arrived a period of dominance that continues to unrivaled regardless of the known fact that a number of great teams came and gone during the Olympics in men's hockey. India's 8 gold medals remains the highest for any teams in the history of Olympics. The annals regarding the game of hockey has its own root really sits within the world's civilization being early. One of the earliest known sports, the overall game is known to have existed about 1200 years prior to the ancient game of Olympia. Right from Arabs, Greeks, Roman, Persian to Ethiopians, everybody played a variation associated with the games. The other were associated with the opinion that hockey would make them better warriors, while many people played it for simply for relaxing. And even though numerous ancient civilizations played hockey in different variants, the present day game of hockey, the field hockey, developed within the British Isles. When you look at the century, it is certainly 19th century. An English school game, hockey was introduced in India by British Army together with many other games. And hockey became quickly becoming popular on the list of indigenous Indians. Dispersing internationally, the popularity of overall game was especially elated in India and Pakistan. It had been during this time the London's Hockey Association ended up being formed. Additionally, the guidelines for playing hockey was standardized. In 1924, the International Hockey Federation was formed, and 3 years later, the International Federation of Women's Hockey was formed. Talking about hockey in India, hockey first came in India in Calcutta in 1885, and very quickly Bombay and Punjab accompanied suits. Making its Olympic debut in 1928 Amsterdam Games, Indian hockey group cruised home to its first Olympic gold without conceding a target that is solitary. The unmistakable sign of domination that is ruthless and wizardry of Indian hockey legend Dhyan Chand, who mesmerized the Amsterdam crowd together with the dazzling abilities. From 1928 to 1956, the Indian hockey juggernaut won 6 Olympics, that is a straight silver, while winning 24 successive matches. During this time, India scored 178 targets, conceding only 7 along the way. This is the era that is certainly fantastic of hockey and considered as the golden era of Indian hockey. Whenever India loomed huge in the world hockey and produced a numbers of finest players the overall game has ever seen. In this prominence, one title that demonstrably comes to our mind, that is Balbir Singh. For nearly 3 decades, Indian team had about 5 people aided by the title. Same. That is certainly exactly the same. Balbir Singh played with all the great Indian teams of 1948, 1952, 1956. He achieved the peak of success at Helsinki in 1952, when he scored 5 goals in 6-1 gold medal success over the Netherlands. The 4 later Balbir Singhs played with the later Indian champion. The stranglehold that is Indian, the Olympic hockey goals came to conclusion when Pakistan defeated India within the final of 1960 Rome Olympics. However, the record produced by India is likely to stay strong through many years, as hardly any other country has ever been able to come near to it, leave without beating it. Discussing a number of legendary and outstanding players of Indian hockey, Dhyan Chand, K.D. Singh, Dhanraj Pillai, and Dilip Tirki, and many others whose name comes to our mind frequently or immediately. In 1980, Olympics proved to instead be an exception compared to the sign of what to come. India fell all of those other global players in the hockey, reaching a throw once they did not be eligible for 2008 Beijing Olympics. India finished the Rio 2016 Olympics into the quarterfinals, and also this had been followed closely by the period of sustained resurgence, producing a Olympic. This is certainly the very first medal over 4 decades during the Tokyo Olympics. Thanks to their particular gaming methods, techniques, and enthusiasm that is enduring, the position of Indian hockey achieve brand new levels. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, congratulations Indian hockey team for their historic winning.